Yeah, my eyes lit up. What's your name, Dreamboat?
My name is Trevor Holmes, and I'm 27 years old, and I'm from Thousand Oaks, California.
What's your story? Do you work?
I'm actually doing construction right now, which I'm not fond of, but I'm doing it to help support my mom. She suffers from lupus, so I'm a part-time songwriter, part-time construction worker, wanting to be full-time musician, but sometimes you got to pay the bills.
You're so hot.
Oh.
You're like...
This isn't real.
No, I mean, here's the thing. First of all, like, only hot guys are typically named Trevor.
Is that right?
Yeah, well, that's like one of the names. Trevor, he's hot. He does construction on the side, and he loves his mom.
I do, very much so.
Trevor.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't call me ma'am.
I'm sorry, I respect you so much.
Don't respect me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't respect me.
She don't want you being nice.
Don't respect me. Don't respect me.
Oh, thank you, God.
Katie, this is the man you need.
Listen, if
Quit
you're not
dating
going to
these.
Hollywood, maybe you could just come hang out with me. Are you engaged?
No.
Cool.
I do have a girl.
Oh, Lord.
I hope you can sing.
Katie is cheering for you.
Well, I can't count the times almost said what's on my mind, but I couldn't.
Calm down.
And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. I just couldn't.
Don't look at me.
And baby, I know you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, Katie, I'm crazy about you.
Nice.
I would be lying if I said that
I can't protect you from him.
without you. Yeah, even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know.
Oh, look at her.
Okay.
Oh, man,
The old Trev.
Okay, let's get down to business. You're cute and all, but... Just kidding. You guys go. I can't talk.
Katie, can I tell you something really quick? I have literally had a crush on you. Like I'm sorry, but you have been literally my crush for forever. So I'm sorry. I had to get that off my chest.
All joking aside, just dig in a little more on your voice. I mean,
Yeah.
don't.
There's only you in my life.
Every tool you got at some point to.
Well, he's in construction, so he's got lots of tools.
Hey,
What you think, Lionel?
you have to have things in your arsenal because the competition coming. Other than that, I find nothing wrong with you at all.
Thank you so
No,
much.
there's nothing wrong with
Thank
you
you,
at all.
Katie.
Listen, Trevor, your girlfriend's out there.
Oh, the girlfriend's outside. How about we vote?
Yes.
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 Oh my God.
Yes. You're going to Hollywood, Trevor. Yes.
Thank you guys so much. I can't thank you enough. I
Hey,
really
teach me how to be hot again.
Okay, wait.
Uh-oh. Howdy, howdy. Oh, Katie's gone. She's heartbroken.
That's all right. It's all right. How are you?
So he walks in, and I'm like, "You're a dreamboat."
Your eyes really
And Katie's over there going. Her eyes are doing whirly birds.
Yes.
What is it?
We're okay.
You better make next time you see her.
Yeah. We're just ready.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's really great. That's great. Yes.